Hey developers, how you doing guys? Welcome back to Dev Endlees. My name is Amin and today I want to talk a little bit more about components and nested components in React.js application. Stay with me until the end of the video and please do not forget to subscribe my channel and put like and comment for me to inspire me to put more videos for you guys. Let's go! Welcome back to the course guys. Today I want to talk about nested components and the structure of them and how we can use them in our React.js application. Like I said before, we can put our whole application in one component, but it somewhat defeats the purpose of why we are using React.js. So let's back to work. So as we can see, we have main function component greeting here, and we have a heading to tag, HTML tag here with hello world. I want to change this hello world to my name is Amin and put a paragraph here that this is Dev Endlees. When I save it, we can see the changes here in our web browser. So when I want to separate my components, greeting component to two nested components, I should just make my components for each of these tags. So I want to start with arrow function that most of you guys are familiar with this type of component. Start with const and the name of my component, and as you know, we should start it with capital letter to that React.js know it as component for us. And here I want to start with two-way in arrow function. First is about implicit return, that we should just put the HTML tag that we want to render in front of our component. So I want to cut this heading 2 and paste it here, and it's all about implicit return in arrow function. So when I save it, there is no change in here and we have no more this heading 2 here because we do not use our components in our main components greeting. So when I put person component here and I've saved it, we have it back again here. And about this paragraph, I want to start with explicit return in arrow function, and the name of our component is message. So you know that we have curly braces here and return. So we just put this paragraph in front of return, and when I save it and put this component here in my greeting component, we have the same result as we had in greeting component. So guys, it's the structure of nested components, and we can use lots of components and chunks of functionality and components in our React.js application, and do not put our whole application in one component. And of course it will be, and of course we can use some nested component in this person component here, and of course in message component, and these are the nested component that I want to talk about them in this video. We are at the end of our video today. Hope to be useful guys, and thanks for watching, and Please subscribe my channel and put like and comment for me and ask your questions in comment, and I will answer all of them. And know that in the next video I want to talk about a mini project and how you can import styles and CSS and some basic things in React.js. Do not lose them. Thanks for watching. Farewell, developers.